Hello there, beauty ravers, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Raven, and this is where I like to rave about beauty. If you would ever so kindly hit that like and subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube, it means so much to me. Now, without further ado, let's jump on into the video. Hi guys! Today we have a very special unboxing because this is a gift from a dear friend of mine. Her name is Marilyn Cole. Here on YouTube, she is Embolism C, and I will link her channel down below, of course, because she is such a sweetheart. I don't know exactly what's in here, but I know it's a whole bunch of goodies, and I'm excited to go through them with you. So let's jump on into it. So I have my trusty rusty knife right here. I use this to unbox every package I get. So don't worry, it no longer gets used in the kitchen. Voila! Oh my goodness, I don't know what's in there, but it's in a Charlotte Tilbury box because she's bougie apparently. I'm so excited to see what she gifted me. I love Marilyn so much. She is so wonderful and hilarious. If you guys aren't subscribed to her channel, you are missing out. I promise you, you will love her videos just as much as I do. She also has a podcast called Sin and Tonic, so check that out as well. And now let's see what we got. The first thing we have here is a card, and I love getting little cards, so I'm excited to see what she wrote me. Just a few things. LOL. Enjoy. Embolism. Ah, she's so cute. I love it. Hopefully you can see that, but I'm not sure if you can. However, I read it, so it's okay. Okay, so I think there was a mishap. She asked me about most of the brands that she was sending me, if I had anything from them. And I guess she forgot to ask me about Juvia's Place because I do own the Freak palette already. But it was very sweet that she gifted it to me. I don't know. Marilyn, do you want it back? I can send it back. I feel bad. I don't know. It's a wonderful palette, guys, though. If you haven't tried it, oh my goodness, it's so good. I love it. But yeah, I do already own this. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this, but let me know, and yeah, we'll figure it out, Marilyn. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. This brand I do not own anything from, and it's Shady Glow. Oh my god. I know, I'm fangirling a little bit too hard. I'm sorry. I've been wanting to try Shady Glow for so long. I hear their shimmers are out of this world, and she just gifted me too. So, yeah, needless to say, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to swatch these. Ooh, this is cute. Oh my goodness, I don't know what this is, but the cover art is so cute. Look at it. They're all so pretty. I love them. I want to be one of them. I'm excited to find out what's inside here. Ooh, it's Spoiled Lip Cosmetics. I only know that because of the embossing. Oh my god, guys, look. Okay, so I gotta take the plastic shield away. But look at how cute. Oh my goodness, look how cute. I've never tried Spoiled Lips Cosmetics, but I knew it was Spoiled Lips because of the little lip embossings, and I am so excited to try this brand. And I just love their artwork. Also, the colors in here are so up my alley. I'm so excited. Seriously, Marilyn is such a sweetheart. I met her here on YouTube, and I'm just so taken aback that she's this sweet to send me all this stuff. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like it's rare to find kind-hearted people these days, but she is one of the most kind-hearted people I know. Next, there is this Hip Dot palette, and I'm so excited because it's another brand I have never tried before. I believe Marilyn has most of these palettes as well, so we will be collaborating here soon, so definitely turn on those post notifications to both of our channels so you don't miss that. But look at how pretty this palette is. Okay, yes, I'm loving this. Beautiful. I cannot wait to use it. Aww, how cute! She wrote a little note. I'm fangirling so hard, guys. I'm sorry, but I love her so much. And also the little notes are just so touching. I love them. Thank you. This one says, enclosed, Rachel, Friends lipsticks. Because, hi, new friend. Aw, hi. I love it. And I also love Friends and Rachel, so yes. Oh my god, guys. There are so many lip products in here. I am so pumped. Let's go through them. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm screaming now because Lunar Beauty is in here. Okay, I love Manny MUA, but I have yet to try Lunar Beauty. I'm sorry, but I adore him, and I adore the brand's aesthetic in general. I don't know why I haven't tried them. Don't come for me, but now I get to. This is a lip gloss in Dreamy, and I hear this is a cult favorite, so I am so excited to own one. Thank you so much. My heart is literally just like... I am so happy. Honestly, this is the sweetest thing. This just made my whole year. Yeah. Yeah. You know, if nothing else comes from 2021, at least I have a new friend that is so sweet and caring and kind, and I can't say enough good things about her. Honestly, she's just wonderful. The next thing we have in here is from Spoiled Lip Cosmetics. So now I get to try their eyeshadow formula and their lipstick formula. Pretty excited about that. This one is in the shade Baby Girl. It is a cute pink. We're gonna go through and swatch some of these here at the end. But for now, just know I'm as excited as you to see it swatched out. Okay. One of my favorite brands is in this bag, guys. It is Black Moon Cosmetics, and I am so pumped because I don't have this color. This is an Immortal. It looks to be like a dark garnet red. I could be wrong. Again, I don't own this. I've never seen it in person, but we will be swatching it. Don't worry, just stay tuned. Next, we have a KVD Vegan Beauty lipstick, and I love the KVD liquid lipstick formula. This is in the shade Kitten. I do not own this one, and I'm very excited to now own it. Ooh, we have another one from Spoiled Lip Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Wicked. I love the naming and the aesthetic of Spoiled Lip Cosmetics. Another brand I don't know why I haven't tried yet, but I'm very excited that I now get to. And then we have the Rachel Friends lipstick because you know, she already said it. This is from Revolution, and I'm excited because I didn't get to pick up anything from this line, but I kind of wanted to, but I was like on the fence, and then I just didn't. But now I have something from it, so yay! And the last thing in here is from Beauty Bakery, another brand that I have not tried yet. A lot of these brands are indie brands too, guys, which I absolutely love, and I love that she supports them as well. She's super indie brand focused on her channel, so if that's something you're into, again, definitely recommend checking her out. But this is the Breakfast in Bed palette, and I've seen this and kind of been eyeballing it, to be honest, guys. And the thing is, it's kind of neutral, so it's shocking that I'm into it, but it is like a grungy neutral. And in my opinion, that's just really cute. Gosh, so many brands I haven't tried. I'm so excited. This box was literally the highlight of my week, my month, my year, if I do say so myself. I'm just so beyond grateful that she sent me all this. Now let's go ahead and swatch some of it. So what do we swatch first? Honestly, there's so many goodies in front of me right now, I just don't even know where to begin. Start with eyeshadow, I guess? I'm not going to swatch the Afrique one because, like I said, I already own it, and she probably will want this back, and regardless, I don't want to swatch something I already have one of. There's no point in doing that. So I am going to put this to the side, and we will jump right on into the Spoiled Lip Cosmetics palette. I'm not going to swatch the entirety of all of these things, just the shades that really call out to me most, but this palette, the whole thing kind of calls out to me, so bear with me. Oh wow, it's very pigmented and super creamy. I'm loving that right off the bat, actually. They are kind of powdery, but that usually means they're gonna blend pretty well, and honestly, I like a more soft formula. And these look really nice. I could have used these in my crease today because I did the little two-toned pink and blue look. I could have used this. But I'm just loving this. Okay, let's swatch the green because, you know, ooh, okay. That's a pretty green. I like that. You know I love green. And this periwinkle shade, okay, I love a good periwinkle. That is beautiful. I think I'm gonna really love this palette. Okay, let me just swatch a few more from this palette and we'll move on to the next thing. That's a really beautiful blue shimmer, okay. Oh my god. I kind of swatched them into each other, but oh my god, I'm obsessed with that shimmer. It reminds me of my hair. Well, my wig. No, it's real. It's natural. No, but that is gorgeous. Okay. And that is beautiful too. These are gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Cannot wait to use this palette on my eyes. Honestly, this is really exciting. All right. Let's move on to the next one. Believe me, I'd like to swatch everything, but we would just be here all day because she sent me so much. I'm so happy. This is like Christmas morning, you know? I'm here for it. Okay, if you guys aren't familiar with Shady Glow, they are an indie brand, and they're an indie brand that has been on my list to try for quite some time because Their shimmers are powerful. We're about to find out just how powerful, but the swatches I've seen online have really taken my breath away, so we shall see. These both appear to be from their Galaxy collection. This is the first one, and it is really pretty. It looks like it's going to be a very shifty pink, and this is in the shade Sen. Oh boy, I was right. Look at that shift. Okay, that is gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I love it. We're here for it. Now let's swatch the other one. And then she also gave me this one, and this is the shade Good God. Oh wow, that one is really pretty too. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's like this blue purple shifty shade. I just want to drench my entire body in these. These are so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I'm really getting into singles right now, and this is just a wonderful addition to my collection. Alright, next let's swatch some from this Hip Dot palette, and this is their Zion Pressed Pigment palette. I really love this artwork. I make these like drip paintings, and it reminds me of one of the ones I've done before. It's very beautiful. I will say Whisper is very powdery, like lots of kick up in the pan. But as long as you're aware of it, that's not a problem. So that's the shade Canyon, which is this really nice orange. And it seems to be pretty pigmented, which is really nice. And Wild River, like I said, is a pastel purple. I'm going to give it a second swatch just to build it up a little bit. And it looks like it does build, but it is very soft, so maybe going in with a few layers will be good for that one, but it is pretty. And that one is Whisper, which is like that plummy, deep purple. These mattes look pretty good. Now let's swatch some of the shimmers. Okay, we're actually going to swatch all of the shimmers because I can't help myself. They all look really pretty. This is the shade Sublime. It's like a wine red with a little bit of plum in it. I'm liking that. Next we have this one in Angel's Landing. That one's really cute too. Why do I keep whistling? I don't know. But it's really cute. Oh, I like that. These are more like metallics, but they are really high shine metallics, which I'm liking. This is the shade Virgin. And I kind of swatched that into that for some reason. I do that a lot. But that's also really cute. And the last shimmer we'll swatch right here. This is Surreal. Okay, that's more of a true wine red. I like that. Let me focus them because I know they're not focusing. Hold on. Look how beautiful these shimmers are. Again, I think they're more like metallic, but they are really pretty metallics. Alright, so before we move on to lip products, we're going to swatch some of the Breakfast in Bed palette. And let's figure out which ones call out to me the most. Alright, so we have Pajamas. Looks to be a really pretty deep red. We have Fresh Face. Ooh, that's pretty. It's shiny. You know mommy likes shiny things, so this is a winner for me. And this one is French Doors, which my mom used to love. Be obsessed with French doors. So that one's really cute as well. It's not as shiny as the other two, but I think that would make a really pretty inner corner highlight. So those are really pretty. I definitely think the middle one is my favorite from the three, but I'm loving all of them. Now let's swatch some of the mattes from this palette. These also feel really creamy and nice. First one we have is Yawning. It's much lighter than I expected, but maybe we can build it up. It's definitely a pretty shadow. It's just a lot lighter than I expected it to be, but I feel like for a subtle look, it will be very nice. Next we have Forehead Kisses. Lastly, we have Messy Hair right here. I feel like they're not swatching as vibrant as they look in the pan, but I am very excited to use them on the eyes, and they feel really creamy and nice to the touch. And I've heard great things about Beauty Bakery, so I'm excited to try these on my eyes, but maybe they will apply more boldly with a primer underneath. Okay guys, now we can move on to the lip products, and I am so excited because let's just get it out of the way. The Dreamy one from Lunar Beauty. Can we talk about the packaging on this? So pretty. You just have to see the beauty of this. Look how pretty it is. The cap even. This is such a luxe product. I'm really loving it. Okay, so this is something I've been wanting for so long. Honestly, anything from the brand I've been wanting, but I just haven't bit the bullet myself. So the fact that she sent me this, I am like over the moon happy. So let's swatch it. Again, this is in the shade Dreamy, which I've heard is a favorite amongst a lot of people. So let's see what she looks like. Ooh. Okay, she's like this peachy. It seems to feel like it's going to be very slippy slidey, which I love a gloss to be, and it looks like a really pretty color. Next we have two from Spoiled Lip Cosmetics, and I'm excited for this one. I don't know how I feel about this one yet. It's a very bright pink. It looks really pretty. I just don't know how often I'll use a hot pink. However, I do cosplay sometimes, and you'll never know when you might need this. So this one is in the shade Wicked. It's a very rich cherry wood color, and I'm honestly kind of obsessed with it. And then the bright pink one is in the shade Baby Girl. And that's what Baby Girl looks like. It is very pink. But like I said, you never know when you might need this. Now let's watch the Black Moon Cosmetics one. I'm so excited. This is in the shade Immortal. And like I said, this is one of my favorite brands for lip products specifically. I haven't tried anything else but lip products from them, but all the lip products I have tried, I have really been impressed with. And this is pretty, okay. And this is really pretty as well. It's like a very dark plum maroon, I guess you would call it. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's really pretty, and it's got some sparkles in it. Loving that. Then we have this adorable little mini KVD Vegan Beauty lipstick. It's so cute, I can't. Earlier I said it was in the shade Kitten. I meant this is the Kitten Minis in the shade Nosferatu. Oh my god, that is a very true primary red. It's really pretty. I'm honestly like, I'm not sure how I feel about myself in a red lip, but that one I think has to be on my lips. It has to be. It's too pretty not to be. And lastly, we have this Rachel from Friends one, and I'm super excited. This is a really cute compact, actually. Like, it has the little lips on the top, so I'm excited. Ooh, that's a pretty color. This mauve-y, purpley, I don't know, but let's put it on my hand. That feels really creamy and really nice, actually. I'm not huge on bullet lipsticks, but this one I think I'm gonna really be a fan of. Oh, I get it. The lips match the color. Oh, how cute. I didn't get that at first. So here's what they all look like swatched out, and they are super cute. I am highly impressed and very much excited to try them all out. And that is it, guys. I am so beyond grateful. Thank you so much, Marilyn. You are a true babe, and I'm so glad that we met here on YouTube. Of all places, this is awesome. I love having friends from far places. Honestly, words cannot describe how unbelievably thankful and happy I am right now. She is so amazing. If you guys haven't checked out her channel, what are you waiting for? You're missing out. I promise you that. You're gonna love her videos. So just jump on over to her channel and check her out. She's got all kinds of animals. Guys, she has ducks living in her backyard. Ducks. And I don't mean like a couple ducklings. I mean, she has a whole family of ducks. I'm just like, I'm obsessed with her ducks. Honestly, they are so cute. She also has all these really cute dogs, and she has chickens. She's got it all, guys. Honestly, what are you guys doing here? You guys should be over there. She's got makeup. She's got chickens. She used to be in a band. She's got it all. Honestly, please go check her out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day and stay beautiful. Mwah.